Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use USPS Informed Delivery. Track your mail online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and go to Informed Delivery. USPS.com. Click Sign up for free if you do not have an account, or click Login if you already have one. If you are signing up, enter your email address, create a username, and set a strong password. Confirm your email address by opening the verification message from USPS and clicking the link inside it. Return to the USPS site and sign in with your new username and password. When asked for your address, type it exactly as it appears on your mail, including apartment or unit number. Check whether your address is eligible, because some locations cannot be verified for this service. If your address is eligible, continue to identity verification to prove you are the resident. Choose the online verification option if available, and enter your personal details as requested. If online verification is not available, select the mail verification option to receive a code by postcard. Wait for the USPS postcard to arrive, then sign in and enter the verification code to finish setup. Once activated, go to your Informed Delivery dashboard to see incoming mail previews. Review the grayscale images of letter-size mail that is expected to arrive soon. Understand that packages may appear as tracking entries even if there is no image preview. Click on any package entry to open the tracking details and view the current skin updates. Use the delivery date information to plan for when items should arrive at your address. Turn on email notifications so USPS can send you a daily digest of expected mail and packages. Turn on text alerts if you prefer SMS updates and your mobile number is supported. Use the calendar or date selector to check mail previews from recent days. If a piece of mail looks unfamiliar, use the reporting options to mark it as not mine if shown. If you are missing expected mail, wait at least one business day because images are not a delivery guarantee. For packages, copy the tracking number and track it directly on USPS.com for more detailed scans. Add delivery instructions when available to request specific drop-off preferences for eligible packages. Update your notification settings anytime from your profile or settings menu in Informed Delivery. Keep your account secure by enabling two-step verification if the option appears in your security settings. If you move, update your address and re-verify, because Informed Delivery is tied to a specific location. Use the USPS mobile app if you want the same dashboard and tracking features on your phone. Contact USPS support through the help section if verification fails or your dashboard is not updating. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.